Student, see here. In previous session, we had learned small O sound word. Okay, now we are going to learn long O sound words. Okay, listen and repeat. Let's see here. O, go, no, so. Then oak, joke, poke. Then next, all, whole, pole, soul. Then next, om, home. Oat, note, one, bone, cone and tone. Then O, boat, goat, coal, hole, goal. Then next O, bow, low, so, show, crow and flow. Then next question, take the correct object. See here. Here given some object and words. We have to take correct words. Okay. See here. This is bone. That's why we are going to take the word bone. See here. Here given one pole. The spelling of pole is P-O-L-E. Pole. That's why we take the word pole. Then next see here. He say no. The spelling of no is N-O. No. Then next see here. This is so. The spelling of so is S-O-W. So. Then next here given one picture that the lady show one body chart. That's why the spelling of show is S-H-O-W. Show. We take the word show. Then see here. This is foal. The spelling of foal is F-O-A-L. Foal. Then next see here. Here given one activity. Color the pot and say the sentence. See here. This is a hot pot. This is a hot pot. ये जो सेंटेंस है आपको हैंड राइटिंग के नोटबुक पे लिख के इसकी प्रैक्टिस करनी है. Then next let us write page number 29. You have to write small m and n on textbook. Okay student, bye bye.